Hello, I'm Timothy Jordan for The Developer Show. Now this is your update on the coolest developer news from Google. We recently held the 2020 TensorFlow Virtual Dev Summit. Our highlights include the released candidate of TensorFlow 2.2, TensorFlow Quantum, the WebAssembly backend for TensorFlow.js, the TensorFlow Developer Certificate, and much more. For more details, check out the post, the YouTube playlist, and watch our own Dev Summit Top 5 for a recap of the top announcements. Now, speaking of summits, with the postponement of the Game Developer Conference, we hosted the Google for Games Developer Summit as a free, online-only experience earlier this week. You can check out the keynote and over 10 hours of content at the link. Now, that content includes several announcements from Firebase, which are rounded up on this post. They include alpha versions of our Cloud Firestore SDKs for C++ and Unity, improved package management in Unity, and new analytics reports. And of course, there were also some Android and Play announcements, including Android Studio Profilers, the Android GPU Inspector, Google Play Asset Delivery, and much more. Check out this post for that roundup. One more game-related announcement. Agones is an open-source game server hosting and scaling project built on Kubernetes. Now, this week, we announced the availability of Game Servers Beta, a managed service offering of Agones. Where Agones is ideal for managing regional game server clusters, Game Servers supercharges Agones to simplify managing global, multi-cluster game server fleets. We recently introduced Machine Images on Compute Engine, a new type of resource that contains all the information you need to create, backup, or restore a virtual machine, reducing the amount of time spent managing your environment. Now, compared to custom images, Machine Images are a more comprehensive resource that can contain multiple disks, as well as all of the information required to capture and create a new instance, such as instance properties, metadata permissions, and more. Screenshots and links to get started are on the post. We've also launched the beta of Cloud AI Platform Pipelines, providing a way to deploy robust, repeatable machine learning workflows. Now, it includes monitoring, auditing, version tracking, and reproducibility, delivering an enterprise-ready, easy-to-install, secure execution environment. It offers seamless integration with Google Cloud managed services like BigQuery, Dataflow, AI Platform Training and Serving, Cloud Functions, and many others. Head on over to the post for more details. MediaPipe Objectron is a mobile, real-time 3D object detection pipeline that detects everyday objects in 2D images, estimating their poses and sizes through a machine learning model trained on a newly created 3D dataset. Objectron computes oriented 3D bounding boxes of objects in real time on mobile devices. Check out the post to learn more. In Chrome 82 DevTools, you can now emulate vision deficiencies to understand how people with these deficiencies experience your site. Access new debugging information around cross-origin opener and cross-origin embedder policies, and more. As always, more details are on the post. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. I'm Timothy Jordan for The Developer Show. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. That seemed like it worked.